Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we have another digital SAT math type of a question from the topic of percents. Let's solve it together. Between 1980 and 1990, a company's stock price rose by 25%. Between 1991 and 2000, its stock price rose by 15%. Between 2001 and 2010, its stock price dropped by 20%. By approximately what percent did the stock price rise between 1980 and 1980 and 2010? A is 8%, B is 9%, C is 15%, and D is the 11%. So there are three parts of this problem. Actually, there are three different period of times given. So from let me edit this in edit mode. From 1980 to 1990. So the stock price rose 25%. So then the new price should be equals to, let's say initial price was P times 1.25, because when you say 25% increase, you're supposed to multiply it by 1.25. So this is the condition, the period of time number one. I'm gonna show you the second period of time in a different color pen. Number two, from 1991 to 1991 to 2000, not 19, it's 2000. So the stock price, what happened here was the stock price rose by 15%. So which means that to find the new price, now we will multiply remember the initial price was there, times multiplied by 125, and now we're going to multiply that by 1.15 to find the next price. For the third period of time, I'm going to use a different color pen again. We have 2001 to 2010. The stock price dropped by 20%. What does that mean? So the new price is equals to P times 125 times 115. These comes from the previous steps, and that will be multiplied by 0.80, because 20% decrease means you will take away 0.20 from one whole, you'll get 0.80. So now we're looking for the overall change. Let me use the red color pen. Yes. So overall change is, so if you will multiply 1.25 by 115, that's going to give us, you can use your calculator, 1.4375, and you will multiply this number 1.4375 by 0.80. That is equals to, if you will use your calculator, 1.50. So the overall factor is 1.15. This is our overall factor. What does that mean? It was initially 1, now it is 1.15. So the percent change is, if you can see that, the percent changes is 15%. Therefore, the right answer for this question is the choice C. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.